India reported 26,624 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the country's overall caseload to well over 1 crore. With 341 fatalities, the death toll touched 1,45,477. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Sunday announced that wearing masks will be mandatory for the next 6 months in the state. According to aviation regulator DGCA, flight crew members who are asymptomatic but test positive for COVID-19 need to undergo home isolation for 10 days, and once it is over, they can be declared fit for flying again by their medical supervisor. Karnataka is likely to join the list of few Indian states that have announced that the coronavirus vaccine will be distributed free of cost in the state. Healthcare experts have said that there may not be a second peak of COVID-19 in the country, and even if it occurs, it is unlikely to be as strong as the first one. More than 76.3 million people tested positive for COVID-19 worldwide, while the death toll stands at 1.68 million. South Korea reported a record 1,097 new coronavirus cases on Sunday, including an outbreak in a Seoul prison that infected 185 as the country's latest wave of COVID-19 worsens. Moderna announced on Saturday that the US's CDC Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices voted to recommend the use of the company's COVID-19 vaccine on people 18 years of age and older. Thailand plans to test more than 10,000 people after a record daily surge of over 500 coronavirus cases, most of which were among migrant workers linked to a shrimp market near the capital. Men have a 30% higher risk of dying from COVID-19 compared to women of the same age and health status, according to a new study.